Another question, lambda versus t graph. So we can say that as t tends to infinity, lambda tends to 0, and at t is equal to 0, lambda will be maximum, so it will be a curve like this. Then we have momentum time graph, so we can say that at t tends to infinity, momentum will tends to infinite, so it will be a graph like this. Similarly, if we draw graph between 1 by p and t, so the graph will be 1 by 2 root 1 plus t square, so it will also be 0 at infinity, and initially it will be maximum. So in this way you have seen that we have covered content of up to 1 hour, and it can be tested only using this worksheet for a time duration of, let's say, 3 to 5 minutes. So that is the basic concept behind developing these worksheets. So these worksheets are just an optimization tool to check your learning and to ensure effective results. So if you have any doubt in the comments, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.